Every month, tens of thousands of people come home to power outages and to a garage door that doesn't open. That's why LiftMaster garage door openers offer smarter access solutions, like EverCharge Standby Power. Now if your power goes out, our Standby Power keeps your LiftMaster garage door opener performing. For a limited time, receive a free garage door monitor with purchase of select models through March 11th. Call us for professional installation and find out how your LiftMaster opener can offer you more.